In the last series, we repaired and souped up our TJ, installed new wheels, a more powerful engine, and a stylish bumper. But we also painted and fixed the door, which got broken during the last encounter with the evil monster truck. Oh, I hate him so much. Well then, we also started a trial run, in which TJ checked how ready he was for the race, and Woody helped him the whole time. They're the best. Oh no! Friends, why are you so sad? What do you mean you have nothing to do? Let's take a pass through the city. We'll see if there's anything interesting going on. Let's see, the car wash doesn't have anything. How about the garage? Maybe we'll check that out. Where is everybody? Where have they all gone? Let's drive back to the station. What's this? Incredible! This guy didn't even notice our heroes. He's probably in a hurry. Who was he? Well, whoever he was, we know that when you rush, you tend to forget things. So, it does look like that racer dropped his envelope. What if there's something important inside? I think we need to catch up to him and give him back his envelope. Let's go on the chase. Look, there he is. I think he's there on the mountain. Let's speed up. Pedal to the metal. Friend, wait a minute! You dropped your envelope!
But wait. Where are you going in such a hurry? Hey friend, you dropped your envelope. We thought that there might be something just really important inside. So we decided to catch up and give it back.
Oh well, thank you so much there, Monster Trucks. This is a really important envelope. You see, it's my invitation to the annual Super Monster Truck race. And without it, I won't be able to take part in the race between the best super light monster trucks there are. Thank you so much.
Aw, sugar. What kind of race is it? It's the first time I'm ever hearing about it.
What? How is that possible? It's a super race of the greatest champions of all time. The winner will get the shiny, beautiful, lovely championship cup. And even a certificate for the most powerful motor that you can't get by just asking. You gotta have the championship certificate.
Cool. But when are they going on? I really want to see this.
At the end of this week.
But wait. Where are you going in such a hurry?
I have to rush to the maintenance station to get my suspension so that I can be able to take part in the super lightweight class race.
Well, shucks. We got our own service station. You should come with us, and we'll help you get ready for the race. We're really good at this. Look what we did to TJ.
Well, this is just unbelievable. I can't believe that I met you guys. It's so lucky that I found you. After you all ready to help me to get my invitation back, I will definitely take the rest of the help that you're offering. Thank you guys and girls.
Hey everyone! In our last episode, we all went for a walk together, and there we met a super fast racer on our way. Along that way, he lost the envelope that had an invitation to a super race inside. But before the race, this super fast racer needed to have tuning done. Our heroes invited this racer to the service station. Let's take a look at what's happening there. Friends, our rider needed to have his suspension changed into a lighter one. It's time to get started. Let's start with the wheels. First of all, we need to remove the wheels. Now unscrew and take off the suspension and the frame. They're attached by a large number of screws. We can't forget or lose any of them, or else we can't put it all back together. That would be bad. We also need to pick a new suspension. But how can we choose which one is better? Let's compare their weight with each other and choose which one is the lightest, to then be installed on our rider. So, the first one. This suspension is heavier than the old one, so that's no good. The second suspension. It weighs less, but I think we can do better. Let's take a look at the third option. Oh, that's right! This third suspension is the lightest. It works the best. Super! Now we can put all the wheels back on. Hooray! We did it! Our driver is ready to race. Now let's see how far our rider can jump with his new super light suspension. Tow truck, drag a record. Fantastic! Now let's jump over the cars. Tow truck, help us set a few cars in between here. Oh yeah! Super Racer, you're very jumpy, and you can take part in the super mega races in the super lightweight classes.
Oh, thank you so much for your help. I hope we'll meet again, and now I must go.
That's so nice. We wish you good luck and victory. See you soon. Hey everybody. In the last episode of our series, we invited the new racer to our station, where we replaced his suspension with a lighter one, and our super light suspension did survive the test. The racer made an unbelievable jump that he never thought he could do. Now he is very jumpy, and he can take part in the super mega race in the super lightweight class.
Friends, maybe I could take part in the super race too.
Well, Sugar, I think you can do it. But first you need to change out your suspension and wheels, just like our new racer friend did.
You know, this is not a problem for us, am I right? You know it's right.
Easy peasy.
Woody, get your bumper into the garage. Let's start with the wheels. Take them off for now. First, second, third, and finally the fourth. Now we need to unscrew the suspension and the engine. It looks like they're attached with a great number of small screws. We better not forget about any of them. Let's install a new suspension. The absolute best one that we have. Great! Now we install the strongest and most powerful engine to make Woody the best in this race. Cool! And now it's time to install the new wheels. They are so super! First wheel, second, third, and fourth. All are on their places, but I think we need to add a new spoiler on the back. Let's choose which one will best suit him. This one? Maybe that one. Maybe this one? I think the second one is the best. Let's put it on. Hooray! We did it! At last we flick away the dust and Woody is ready for the race. Let's see how high Woody can jump now that he is all souped up. So it's time to warm up for you, my friends. Hey, Mr. Tow Truck, break out the quarter pipe. Sally, will you start? We need to support Woody. Good job! I think you need to get a little more speed. Now it's your turn, TJ. Good jump! But be careful when you land. Minnie, it's your time to go. Go, go, go! Good girl! You keep getting better and better. It's your turn, Woody. Unbelievable! This is the ultimate jump. You are ready for the super race without a doubt.
Thank you so much for your help, my friends. I couldn't do it without you. Will you support me on the racetrack?
You know, Woody, you can always count on us. Of course we will go with you, and we will cheer for you. I think a good mechanic team will not be out of place in this super race. In our last episode, Woody has decided to take part in the super race. Our whole team has been preparing him for it. We have installed new wheels, engine, and suspension. But don't forget about the cool new racing spoiler that we also put on. And then, all together, we tested him out on a huge springboard. Do you remember that jump? It was awesome. And now, it's time to go on to the super race. Hey guys, look! A gas station. We need to fuel up. The ride to the super race is long, and we will not go by another gas station anytime soon.
Yeah, well, you're right. I think we all need a full tank.
Minnie, you're up first. Full tank? Great. Woody, now it's your turn. Another full tank. Super! TJ, go, go, go! Get your tank filled up too. Already. At last, we have Sally. But oh no! What's happened? It seems that the gas has stopped flowing.
Monster Trucks, the gas has run out here, and the other gas tanker will come tomorrow. What should we do?
Oh, friends, don't worry. There is one more station outside of town. I am sure that we will reach it. If you are sure, let's go.
Hey Minnie, catch up!
Easily.
Monster Trucks, be careful! It seems that Sally's gas tank is empty and she can't go any further. What is there to do? Sally, is your tank empty also? Keep going, please! The station is not too far away. Friends, the race will begin soon, and if you don't arrive for the beginning, I don't know what we'll do. But Woody needs to get there even sooner to check in. You know what? I love you guys. Just go on without me.
We are a team, and we are friends. So we should do everything together and never leave a friend in trouble.
I agree with you. Together, we will solve this problem.
I will push you to the station.
Please don't. You won't have anything left for the race, and I care so much about you guys. Minnie, you know, you can look for gas can in your trunk. You will always have many, many different things in there.
Well, Sugar, let's take a look. I have a ball, a teddy bear, a Stepney. But, I'm sorry, boys. We ain't got no gas can on us.
Monster Trucks, look who's over there. I know him. This is Red the Truck. Let's ask him. Maybe he has a gas can and he can help us out.
Hello, Monster Trucks. Of course, I always have an extra one with me. Here you are.
Oh, this is just the most super that it could be now. Sally is back in the ranks. Thank you, Red. We will not forget how you helped us in our time of need. And now it's time to go back to the station to fill up Sally's tank. Bye-bye, Red. Thanks again. Here it is. We're at the gas station. Sally, fill your tank up and we'll go to the super race. It's gonna start very soon. Cool. Monster Trucks, maybe all of us should fill up our tanks now too. What do you think? Let's rush off to the race. In our last episode, the Monster Trucks went on their way to the Super Mega Race. But before it started, they decided to stop by the gas station, where Sally just didn't seem to get enough gas, and because it was on their way. Only due to Red the Truck and his gas can did our friends have an opportunity to continue on to the race without any more stops.
Friends, you know, it looks like there is a road under repair up ahead. How can we get around it?
Well, TJ, take a look. There's a detour up ahead to a side road.
Oh, that's great. But where do we go now? There's no other arrows.
Sally, I remember that you have a GPS navigation. Let's see where this road leads.
Ah, you're right. It is better to look at our destination from the sky.
Look. The first one goes into the forest.
This second road goes to the lake. And if we take that one, we will just not get to the super race in time.
You know, I think that third road may be the best. If we drive along this road, we can go around the other road that is under repair.
Minnie, come on and catch up.
Easy, sugar.
Monster Trucks, please be careful. Oh no! It looks like TJ got a flat tire. TJ, did you run over a nail and get a flat tire again? But, what do we do? We don't have any extra tires to fix it.
I think we need to call our friend the tow truck, who has a cell phone.
You know, Minnie, you must look in your trunk. You always have so many different things in there.
Oh yeah, I remember. I think I did put it in there. Let's look. I have a doll. Some nesting blocks. Flasher. Oh, look, there it is. The cell phone's in here too.
Hello, tow truck? Our friendly monster truck TJ has gotten a flat tire. We need your help. Hello, monster trucks. Where can I find you?
You know, we drove to the neighboring town along the main road, but stumbled across another road that is under repair. Then, we followed the detour and are at the next crossroad. It looks like we chose the first road on the right side, which leads to the neighboring town around the main road.
Okay. I think I've remembered the way. I'll be there very soon. here is our tow truck friend. He found the way to us so fast. Hooray! Tow truck, you are so fast. Let's load up TJ and find a service station in the nearby town. Let's go. Hello, Monster Truck. Do you think you could tell us a place where the closest service station is?
Hey there, friends. Well, just go along this road here. At the end of the street, you'll see it on the left side. Get your help there.
Hello, Monster Truck Mechanic. We need your help. Our friendly Monster Truck TJ has gotten a flat tire.
Of course I can. No problem at all.
First, he takes off the big flat tire, but now we need to choose a new one. This one's too small. And this one's too big. But this one right here, that looks like the right fit. Super! TJ, you're ready to go. Tow truck, thank you so much for your help. And now we can continue on to the super race. So, my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. We will meet again very soon in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.